Now let's see a special array, that array variable that will be used in Perl. So last video you have seen a default variable. We'll see a special array related to this. So we have an variable called or an array called sorry, it should not call as an variable, should call as an array. So at the rate argv is a special array that we can use. What is the importance of this? So the importance of this is you are trying to execute your Perl program and you are trying to pass some parameters to that Perl program, and you wanted to check the count, like how many parameters that has been passed to your program, and you can simply use it. So contains your program command line arguments. Perl print args.pl 1 2 3 is the three parameters that has been passed to this particular program, and what I'm doing is I'm storing this argv into a special into the variable called $num, and I'm trying to print this, so it prints the output as 3. Let's see a live example of how do we do that. So I have written a program here and I'm trying to edit this program. So here I am saying like my num equal to @argv, and I can state the statements as total number of arguments are okay, and I can keep it in /line, and I can keep it in double quotes. Okay, and the statement has been ended. So let's run this program by going into the command prompt, and my program name I have given was arg. See, the total number of arguments are 0. Why? Because I didn't pass any arguments to this. Let's now pass the argument as 1. So you can see the total number of arguments is 1. Let me maximize this so that you can see the screen, and then the next argument is 2. So I have given the 2 arguments. Not only this, I mean, if you might be you might pass any other values or the parameters that might be you giving, right? So let me take some example, like here there is some variable or it getting stored or something else. So I'm passing 1 2 3 5 4 4. Okay, so it shows the file. So this is how argv special variable is very much important. So where you wanted to understand how many parameters, or I mean, passed to your Perl programming. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great and pleasureful day.